2. Three. They're all the same size. 4. It looks like a different brand. AGYW, and the other one over here says. Oh, no, same. How close now? That's it. Here it comes. There's one thing holding on. I'm not able to see what it is. I'm just going to try to be gentle. Turn it up this way. It seems to be right here. Oh, there we go. Meters. Okay, front face is off, along with the meters. What's this? Oh, wow. So there's 2 broken I don't know where. There's one there. And one here. It must have just been sitting in there. I don't know how to spin well. I have to learn. All the rest are intact. There's a couple of these things here. We can set those in there. Some kind of washer. Okay, these are dust covers for the push buttons on the front. Put those in. And turn it over, hopefully see. That's it. This can be cleaned nicely. Okay, so there's that. More of those. And there it is. Very gross. We can take, these go right here. Let's see what those are. They're dust covers. Instead of, what I'm gonna do, first thing I'm gonna do is just, I don't want to suck anything I don't want to. So I'll just take this little brush and go through. I'll sip a beer first. Congratulate myself. You got it. I'm gonna do that. Take these little dust covers off. Boop. Love you. What you doing? Get these dust covers off. Okay. Now, you want to know why that circuit board wouldn't come out? There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 27, 24, 23. Well, guess what? It just so happens I have the tool for that. Nope, that isn't it. This one? There it is. Pop a ratchet on that. And, well, let's label this. We know what those are. We know what those are. I want these to go in here. These are dust covers. 79, 89, 99, 09, 19, 40, 20, 1, 2, 3, 44 years old, dude. Huh. Jesus Christ, man. I was 4, 3.5, or whatever when this was made. 3 years old. I'm older than this, believe it or not. It's hard to believe. All right, we'll know what those are, and we're gonna know what these are pretty easily. So that's not gonna work, is it? Because I have a longer one. Like exam, I actually do. Look at this. Who would have ever thought? Oh my God. There it is. Might not be exactly the right size, but it works. This is ridiculous, dude. There is, Mary, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 screws you have to take off for each one of the like knobs, the pots, to get the front off. It's ridiculous. Every knob has a screw on it and a washer, it looks like, as well. It's insanity. I guess the whole thing was stainless steel. This would have 2 working ones of these. Next thing I have to learn after I get it all cleaned up is how to calibrate all the levels so it's even. And then what about the bias? and the DBX. Let's sit down for this. This thing is fucking, really is built like a tank, like what's his name said. Teac something monoblock. There's only one other person that has a video of this. And it said I'm never gonna take another one apart. They're a fucking pain in the ass. Obviously not good for the first project. I'm lucky this is my second project. How about you start doing them two at a time? It'll go a lot faster. I have calluses. Done. Now I'll get these out. Pick. We'll just go like this. 1, 2, 3. I'm on a magnet. Stuck my